Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am fashionably grateful, and today we're gonna check out shoes. Y'all, let me give you a disclaimer real quick. My music is a little bit loud because their music was louder. So I gotta drown it out so I don't get a copyright strike, okay? I'm sorry about that. But y'all, let's go in here and check out the latest fall finds for shoes, y'all. Y'all know the boots is gonna be in here. Ankle boots, knee-high boots. Look, it's some good finds in here. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss this type of stuff, okay? And then run to Burlington. Hey y'all, look, they got some boots up in here now for the new season. These is $30. Yeah, unfortunately I have to one-hand it right now, so you have to excuse me. But these are really cute. They're really like a strong fabric to me. And again, they are $30 for these boots. Here's another pair for $20 that I think are really, really adorable. Really, really cute. These are given like cheaper fabric, but they $20, so these are size, you know, I can't even tell what the size is. 7.5. They look smaller. I didn't think that was the right size. I'm in size 11, but y'all know how it goes. Y'all know how they put shoes wherever they want to put them. All right, here's another pair that are $27. And these are size 12. Now these are a thick suede too. That's what I like about these shoes. They seem really, really quality. And I wouldn't mind getting something this size because it has that pointy toe. And I could fit 11s just fine with a pointy toe, but why not just get a bigger size? I like those. And here's another pair that I'm gonna have to pull down. These right here. I just don't want them busting in my face as they coming down. And they did not. But these are huge. They seem like rain boots too. These are combat-ish for real. And they seem more plasticky. So they're $20. $20 for these. I like the details. That's what caught my eye. But these are only $20. As they should be. Because they look really, really cheap. But they look really cheap. They just don't look real cheesy. But I think these are cute, y'all. They heavy, so I'm gonna have to alley-oop these up. That's not the word, but hold on. Jesus, y'all hear that? Dang. Man, you don't want these to fall down on you, for sure. Okay, I think we good. Oh, Circus New York by Sam Edelman. I'm shocked. I'm shocked that them is here. It was dope. Now I'm looking at them kind of like, I wonder should I get them? Here's another pair. Oh, look at the heel on these. Adores. Vince Camuto. These are cute for $28. I love these. I love the heel on them. What size are these? These are 11s. Those are really, really cute. I like those. I mean, every boot they put up at the top. Like, why? They want me to struggle. I guess because they're boots and they don't fit here very well. But geez, they want me to struggle with getting them down. Here's another pair that are cute. These are Vince Camuto as well. For $30, and these are size 10. So these are gonna be a little bit tighter on my foot, and again that they are, you know, kind of pointy toe, we probably gonna leave them where they at. I've been wanting to look at these though. Those are cute. These are real cute. These are size 11. And they are, how much are these? These are $25. I don't know what they are though. It's not telling me. Let me see if I can look on the inside of the boot. New York and Company. So that's those. Cute. DKNY. Ooh, these is dusty. It's been up here for a little minute. They $50 for these. DKNY, super soft leather or suede, whatever you want to call it. And then this is like a, I don't know what kind of material this is. But let me see how much these are. I mean, these, I know how much they are. They're 50. I wanted to see what size they are. So these are 50. These are size 10. So I cannot fit those. But those are really, really cute. I thought these were cute too. These are textured, by the way. Like, this feels like something, you know? It's cute too. Y'all, $13. $13 for these. Y'all see that texture though? Let me show you the heel. And these are 11s. MIA. I love those. Those are cute. It almost makes me want to go ahead and pull out $100 and buy this whole row because they're all pretty much affordable. I wouldn't buy the DKNY stretch ones because they're size 10 and I can't fit those. But I'm feeling these. $13. I'm feeling these. $20. I'm feeling these. $30. And I'm definitely feeling these for $28. That's $100 almost, right? Somewhere around in that area. I think we got action. They doing good today. Here's some more shoes. Vince Camuto. Y'all, I love that they got Vince Camuto is a good brand to me. These are, that tag keep on hiding on me. Hold on. These are $30, but they are so adorable. Look at the heel. Y'all know I gotta show you a shot of that heel and how it's shaping up. And then the front is really, really cute. Y'all, I'm gonna have to see if I can ante up, look through the couch and look through, you know, the little things in your car, the little compartments in the car that keep change. I'm gonna have to come back and grab me some stuff because they definitely got some stuff that's really, really cute. These are size 10, so I can fit them because the toe is out. How much are these? $17. They seem a little gluey though. This feels a little stickiness a little bit. I sure hate that because that's not a good look. These are really cute too. And these are $18 for those shoes. These are also $18. I don't like them though. I don't like them at all. But y'all, yeah, they got some cute little shoes in here. Now I'm mainly looking at boots. But when I see stuff like this, Life Stride, these are $20. These are cute too. Y'all, I do apologize. It's like a struggle to get boots that are way up on the top. You know, it's really kind of hard to even deal with that. But I'm loving that they got them. Let's see, are these size 10? Here's an 11 in the DKNY stretch boot. Super, super cute. These are so cute. They seem like they stretch too. Let me check. Yes. They stretch a lot. I hope y'all can see that. I was holding it between my chin and my neck, or my chest and my chin, so that's how I was holding that down. These are cute though. So here's another. So I had to end up spending $150 in here today. They got some cute stuff in here though. Here's another pair of boots that are really, really cute. So if you get a chance to get to the Burlington Coat Factory, these are DKNY as well. As far as the price, these are $25. They're very, very much textured. Like I can feel all of this. These are really, really cute. Look at these. Is it Wild Diva? $23. Y'all see that? That's gonna wrap up your ankle. And that is really, really adorable. They got them in black too. Right next to some cute ankle boots. And these ankle boots are $25. They got a platform on them though. I'm not really into platform boots, but they're cute. Top Moda. Yeah, they got some cute shoes in here. $19 for these. Really, really cute. I'm loving what I'm seeing. I'm so glad I walked through the shoe department because I really wasn't going to. Now, we're not looking for stuff like this anymore right now because it's about to get kind of cold out here. So we would definitely rather see things like this. The fake Uggs. These are 20. BB. Cute. Love them. So adorable. And I mean, they loading the store up with boots. They got them in chocolate. Guess. How much are these? These are $38 for these. Look at that heel. Yes. Yes, Camuto, black. These are $28. These are so adorable. What size are these? These are 8s. Is that say 8? Yeah, 8.5. Too small for me, but super, super cute. Super, super cute. Yeah, 8.5 for those two. 8 for those. Oh, they don't have them in my size, but they're so cute. They're really cute. 8s. 8.5. Is that 9? Yeah, 9 for those. And then we got these two. Now these are more like a stiletto heel. I'm so tired of stilettos, y'all. I need some bulky comfortable shoes. $20 for these by Olivia and Kate. And they are burgundy. Definitely feel fake, but they're cool. And then I showed you these already. These are $18. Sam and Libby, cute. And that is pretty much it when it comes to boots. I mean, they burgundy enough down in here. Super, super cute. Hey guys, I thank you so much for checking the video out for me. All right, bye-bye.